off yet. Uh, Sometimes if the morning session had a really nice move, guys would go grab a bite to eat because they felt like they would have a very busy afternoon session. So they want to go early, beat the lunch rush to wherever it is they would go and run and get their lunch. Sometimes they would eat at their desk, and others would be just hopped up on goofballs and simply not leaving the floor and just trade through the lunch hour. But lunch hour trading is a real thing, and the algorithm operates on that mechanism of reversing back to whatever the session in the morning stops, wherever they're at, whether they're bull stops or not bull stops, buy stops or bear stops, sell stops or buy stops rather, buy side or sell side. And as an example, let's assume that we've watched the market go higher in London, and then we had a continuation in New York. And whatever the target is that we had for our weekly chart or our daily chart has yet to be reached. So we're still below it. Your expectation for the lunch hour between 11 o'clock and 1 is you want to go through and look for where a relative equal low or a 15-minute low is, because that's exactly where the algorithm is going to go. Don't take my word for what I just said. Don't just say, because ICT said it, I believe it. No, go back and look through your charts and you will see what I just said is algorithmically proven to you. It goes on every single week. It happens this way all the time. It does it all the time. It's flawless. It never fails. It's always in the charts. You can set your life around it as a model. This is one way that you can look outside of the AM session, the PM session, and go right in there. Once you understand how liquidity works and what you're looking for, that could be your model, your setup. And I have done examples of that last year and this year, recording my entries. And you're buying those sell stops. As it runs underneath it, you're buying it. What makes it better? If there's a